guys, welcome back to my channel. I am so happy that you're here. If this is your first time seeing my face or coming across my channel, hello and welcome. My name is Shoshana. On my channel I do tons of home decor, seasonal decor, and I do cleaning motivation and some lifestyle vlogs here and there. So if that's something that you're interested in watching, I do upload 2 to 3 times a week. I would love for you to consider subscribing and becoming a part of our family here, and definitely double tap that bell so you don't miss out on any of my videos that is going to be coming up. As you know, it is the fall season. I am super excited about it. I have tons of fall content out for you guys to watch, and today I am going to be remaking over my fireplace, and it's partially done, but I'm going to be painting the rest of the fireplace. Now this took me a long time to get to this point. Normally my fireplace was white, and then I painted it gray, and I painted half of it black, and half of it is still gray. So I am now comfortable with the bold shade of black. So I am now going to complete the entire fireplace and completely paint it black. I am so excited. I cannot wait to see what it looks like. So let's go ahead and get on into this video. So this black paint that I'm using, you guys, is just a regular black paint that I got from Walmart. And I love the way that this turned out. It's the same black paint that I had on the mantle that I'm going to be using on top of it. And it's such a great black paint. I think I gave it like 2 coats. I didn't even need to really give it 2 coats, but I just gave it 2 coats. But it just looks so incredible, and I cannot wait until you guys see what it looks like. And then with all, look, as you can see, I am nervous. I am a nervous wreck because I'm like, oh my gosh, it's such a big commitment. Oh no, such a big commitment. But it was great. It went on really well, and it was actually fairly easy. Like, I think I spent 15 minutes on there painting because the mantle itself was already black, so it was just super easy for me to finish painting. But yeah, I love the way that it turned out, and I just, y'all, I'm like going crazy. I'm literally painting everything black in my house. It's just such a modern feel, an update to, like, you know, a traditional home. So I love it. I'm a traditional girl at heart, but I love a little bit of, you know, modern here and there too. So this turned out amazing. Okay, you guys, so there it goes. It is painted. It's done. Oh my gosh. And it was so easy. I don't know why I thought it was going to be like this huge undertaking. It was super, super easy. I guess because the mantle itself is already painted black, so like you can't mess that up. So it was so easy, and oh my gosh, that was like the quickest that I've ever really painted. I love the way it looks though. I thought it was going to make the space look really dark and overwhelming, but it looks so good in here. Oh my gosh. It looks so good. I cannot wait to start decorating. Ah! So excited. I cannot wait to start decorating. So definitely stay tuned because the decorating portion of this video is soon to be coming up. And I am so excited. I cannot wait for y'all to see what is going to take place on this mantle. I'm going to do something so elaborate and massive and over the top. And I hope that I can, that I can accomplish it. I'm really just going to challenge myself here. I am really challenging myself. I'm already challenging myself with the black. Like y'all know, it has taken me a long time to get to this point of where the whole thing is black. I've been wanting to paint this thing black since like 2 years ago. And it took me a long time to come to this decision. But once I painted the mantle black, I was like, ooh, that looks really good. So, and against the white, molding, the board and batten, it looks really good. So the next phase of this living room is painting all the rest of the walls, including the board and batten. I'm going to be painting it a Sherwin-Williams pure white. So stay tuned for that. That's coming up. I don't know when, but it's coming up. I promise you it'll be up soon. Definitely before Christmas for sure. But I am loving it, you guys. I'm so excited. Oh my gosh. It looks so good. It looks so good. I'm so excited. Okay. All right. Let's go ahead and get this decorating going. So I'm actually using a Christmas garland. It is going to be my base because I love the pine cones in this garland, and you're not going to see the red berries at all because it's maybe like 1 or 2 of them that's on there. But look at it already, you guys. Look how that gold pops against the fireplace and how the green, oh my gosh, how it all just pops. How the black just like pulls out all those warm, moody tones. I just love it so much. Oh my gosh. I just love it so much. So I'm just showing you here what I'm going to do, how I'm going to install this garland on the wall itself, because I'm going for like a semi S shape almost. So I placed a nail in the wall itself, and I'm just wrapping the strands of the garlands around the nail itself. And then you're going to see me screw in another screw at the bottom part and hinge the garland on that screw as well. And then on the end of my mantle, I do have like a nail at the end, like kind of like a hooky nail at the end of the mantle that I'm going to attach the end of the garland to. So it's going to have like that flowy, wounding shape. It was supposed to be like an S, but the garland wasn't long enough, and I just didn't feel like adding on another garland because I didn't have enough florals as well. Now, mind you, I didn't buy anything for this project. Everything that you're going to see here, I already had in my arsenal. So if you guys have stuff in your house, shop your home, use it. You don't have to go out and spend a whole bunch of money to make your home look beautiful. Use what you have. And this is exactly what I did this year. I promised myself that I was not going to go all out and spend all this money on fall because I have tons of it. And I just shop my home. So this is what it looks like. And y'all, it is on there. It's not coming down. Like, it is tight and it is strong. And here are the garlands that I got from Amazon, which that's the only piece that I actually did go out and buy to add to the garland. And I think that was like $14.99. But I just love the way that it looks. So I'm not going to really talk too much. I'm going to let you guys just enjoy the music and enjoy the visuals. And yeah, let me know. Let me know down below if you guys enjoy this video, and if it inspires you to do something as creative and crazy and wild as this. I just wanted to do something that was outside of the box, something that was different and just unlike nothing that's out there. Y'all know I don't like my home to look like everybody else's, and so I just like to be creative and think outside the box and do something that is not necessarily normal. I'm not necessarily like a normal person. So I just love the way that this looks. So I'm just going to leave you guys and let you enjoy the music and, you know, take some inspiration, and I will see you guys soon.
Even when my teardrops start to dry, even when the sun begins to shine again, taking all the advice there is and none of it has helped. Experience has made me realize that I won't build my life on empty words. Being so damn naive, it only hurts. I'm so tired of love songs, life never turns out the way they do. I've been trying for so long, looking for someone who wants me to. I've heard every cliche there is and none of them makes sense. I'm so tired of love songs, I'm sick and tired of love songs. I'm so tired of you. Looking back on how I used to be, I always thought that love was made for me. Oh well, I was just as blue-eyed as the sky could ever be. Loving you has made me realize I'm so tired of love songs, life never turns out the way they do. I've been trying for so long, looking for someone who wants me to. I've heard every cliche there is and none of them make sense. I'm so tired of love songs, I'm sick and tired of love songs. I'm so tired of you. I'm so tired of you. I'm so tired of you. I'm so tired of love songs, sick and tired of love songs. Even when my teardrops start to dry, and even when the sun begins to shine again, I've taken all the advice there is and none of it has helped. I'm so tired of love songs, sick and tired of love songs. I'm so tired of you. Ooh, sick and tired of you.
Guys, oh my gosh, this is the way that it turned out. I can breathe. This looks so awesome. It looks even more beautiful in person. The video doesn't do it justice, but it looks amazing. I kind of wanted to add a little bit more like sprigs and stuff, like stems hang down, and I'm probably going to do that. So if I do that, you'll see it in the fall house tour. But y'all, it just looks so incredible. And also I have like faux florals and faux stems mixed in with dried stems as well, so it kind of give that even balance. And I have a little bit of pumpkins and, you know, peonies, and oh yo, it just looks so good. I am loving the way that this turned out. Oh, it's probably my favorite fall mantle that I've done. I just love it so much. So let me know down in the comment section, what do you guys think? Do y'all like it? Is it what you guys expected or not? Let me know down in the comment section, and also let me know if this has inspired you to try something new, do something different, and you know, something outside the box. So thank you guys so much for joining me today. I will see you guys next time. Remember that Jesus is Lord. He loves you, and I love you too. Thank you guys so much for watching, and I will see you next time. Bye.